I'm Leonard Yount. I've been in business since 1972. We're in Henry County, Kentucky. I've been coming to the National Farm Machinery Show for 48 years. In 1973, I brought a bale of hay each morning. We'd put it in the booth, and that day they would pull and tear. They'd smell of it. They said it wouldn't work. That's the reason they tore the bale of hay all to pieces. They'd keep tearing, but it had kept really well. And sometimes they'd order a baler right then, so it worked real well. No, it's just been a great 47 years, or 48 years.